how to install and log in Telegram app on your Android phone. Hey guys, this is Lucy and let's get to the video. So first you need to open your Play Store app and search for Telegram. It is the icon with the paper plane on it. So click on install and wait for it to install. So after Telegram is installed, open the app and type on start messaging. Here it will ask you for your phone number and your country. Click on your region. You can also search for your region and type in your mobile number. After that, to the instructions. Here it will send you a SMS code. So you just need to enter the code and you're done. That's how you install and log into your Telegram account. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.